Do you want your Windows 11 look clean, modern and stylish? In this tutorial, I am customizing the Start Menu and Taskbar with a beautiful liquid glass Start Menu style using Windhawk. You will get smooth transparency, soft blur and glass-like look that feels premium. If you love Windows customization and cool desktop design, let's start transform your Windows 11 together. Welcome back. This tutorial I'm going to customize Windows 11 Start Menu and Taskbar Style. First you have to download and install this software called Windhawk. Links are given in the description box. After installation you will see an interface like this. Now we have to install some mods. Click on browse for mods. First we have to install a mods called Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. Click on details and then click on install and install it. After installation we have to install some script. I'll put the link in the description box. First copy this Taskbar Style script, copy this complete script and then go to advanced tab and paste it here and then click on save. And it will take some time to complete the installation process. And now we have to install another mods called Taskbar Height and Icon Size. Click on details and then click on install and install it. And we have to go to this folder again and copy this complete script, then go to this advanced tab and paste it here and then click on save. Now we have to install another mods called Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. Click on details and then click on install and install it, and then go to this folder and copy this Start Menu Styler script as well, and then go to advanced tab and paste it here and then click on save. Okay, if you see any kind of error on your Start Menu, just go to the settings tab and enable this disable the new Start Menu layout and then click on save settings. Now we have to install another mods called Taskbar Music Lang. First you have to search for Taskbar Music Lang and then click on details and install it, and then click on settings, and we have to make some changes here. First change panel height according to your desktop, and if you want to give your Windows 11 desktop a more elegant look, you can install this Rainmaker skins. All links are given in the description box. And then you have to hide your desktop icons and then place this widget and unload unnecessary widget. And this is it. This is how you can transform your Windows 11 Start Menu and Taskbar Style into a liquid glass Start Menu.